entire cookies espresso. I'm kidding. I'm not stupid. It's not going to be just a cookie espresso. It's going to be way further beyond. It's gonna be tiramisu espresso. This cookie in here is called lady fingers, and well, here in Brazil this one we call champagne cookies. I don't know why for either of the names, but well, let's do an espresso with all this. Let's add everything in here. Maybe we need to crack a little bit, but and well, let's not forget some of the coffee, and the milk powder is already thin, but we want to see if the grinder in here is capable of mixing the ingredients also, so let's add that too. And let's set this one to very thin. Let's go! Is it me or it's just dropping the milk powder? Okay, let's see how it became. Oh, that's interesting grinding stuff. Welcome to tiramisu powder. It's such a beautiful powder. Oh yeah, nice. Now let's do our spready thing. And now our compressed thing. Looks compressed, and it is compressed. Okay, so let's see if the entire tiramisu powder espresso is going to work. Let's go then in 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. Oh man. Oh. Okay, it's not the pressure. Okay, maybe we did too much. Let's remove a little bit of it. All right, let's try again. In 3, 2, 1. Let's espresso. Okay. Okay, this is not very good actually. Okay, well, it's coming something. Well, we could extract something. We had to remove a lot of what we put initially, but it's a beverage. It's an espresso. Although we had coffee beans, we didn't manage to extract a lot of crema. It looks like an espresso with milk, and well, it kinda is, but with some cookies inside. Let's see how the taste is. Saúde! It became a macchiato or maybe a little cafe latte with some vanilla aroma. It's kinda nice, but it doesn't taste exactly like tiramisu. But it's good. It's maybe too sweet for me. We have a puck. Let's take a look, shall we? Well, this is not very homogeneous puck. Since there is coffee in this puck, I don't think that this puck in here is edible. But well, now let's taste. It wants to taste like a tiramisu, but biting the coffee in here is not so pleasant. This gave me an idea. How about filtered tiramisu espresso? And all of the grinded tiramisu? Alright. Well, it's definitely taking its time. Still? Okay. Whoa. Okay, not like tiramisu.